What is the Core Java? Core Java means Core Java is a high-level programming language which was originally developed by Sun Macrosystem, which was initiated by James Gosling. James Gosling was a Java high-level programming language. It is a Java released in 1995 as a core components of Sun Macrosystems Java platform, such as run Windows, Mac OS, etc. Different between C programming and Java programming. C programming will be a save dot extension file. For example, I have one create a class and save the file, save the file name. So I will hello dot for example c hello dot c extension will save this file. After successful compilation of C programming native code or .exe file, file will be saved and run the code will be code C program native code. Native code will be saved .exe file will be generate, which is platform dependent and cannot be used on any other platform. Not be used. When we are written Java program, it must be a save file Java extension. For example, one file name is one class name for Java. So I will have class name hello dot Java. Will be saved and compilation after successful compilation of Java program class file for generated automatically, not be a save for c class. I will save Java extension. So class file will be generated now which is known as code. It will be platform dependent. Despite of a corresponding platform. JDK means Java Development Kit, and JRE means Java Runtime Environment. For clear for C programming and Java programming difference. So C programming will be save .c extension, and Java will be written a Java program. It must be save Java extension. Thanks for watching video.